Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a new broker to try out, well, then this video is for you. Introducing Blueberry Market. Well, it's not really a new broker, but you might be hearing about it for the first time, and that's okay. Well, this is the first broker that has been existing since 2016. So let's check it out and see how it's any better from other brokers. So this is the website. Okay, the link to this broker will also be in the description, so you can check it out right after this video. So let's start with the account types that it has. So let's click on account types. We see the accounts that it has. So as we can see here, Blueberry Market actually has got two account types. So let's start with the first one, which is the standard account. So for this one, the codes are already built into the spread, which means all the profit you make is yours to keep. So it's ideal for traders who prefer traditional spread pricing. I think this is good. So there's no commission here, okay, and the minimum amount needed for this account is only $100, and this is the maximum leverage that you get over here, which is okay, and you get to trade using MT4, MT5, web trader, and so on. Then now there's the direct account. So this one says it's for raw spreads with a commission fee charged over every trade. Okay, so this one is good for traders who prefer raw spread and fixed commissions. So the commission is $7 and the spread is from zero point 0.0 pips, which is good. Okay, so these are the account types that it has. Let us also try to check out, okay, the deposit and withdrawals. So according to Blueberry Market, you can deposit and withdraw using bank transfer or using a Visa card or Mastercard, uh, which is good, and you can withdraw the process within 24 hours during business days. This is good. At least they're telling us 24 hours is different as compared to other brokers which take days, okay, to even weeks just to process a withdrawal. So this is good. So let's look at the trading conditions, which is this page here. So the trading conditions will depend on, so be based from the region where you're trading from. So there's the Vanuatu license and the Mauritius license. So yeah, so you can check these out and you're going to see for yourself. Okay, these are good. So now let's check out the platforms that you can use with Blueberry Market. So there's of course MetaTrader 4, and I'm sure you know MetaTrader 5, and I'm sure you know TradingView. But there's also Blueberry X, of which we're going to try out later in the coming videos to see how powerful it is. Okay. Also, we can use the web trader from MetaTrader 5. So with Blueberry Market, okay, it has got all the instruments you might want or that you already trade. So it has got everything from forex to crypto CFDs to indices to shares to commodities and metals. So everything is there for you to trade. So it's different from other brokers whereby some only offer forex, some do not have crypto, but with Blueberry, everything is there under one broker, which is a good thing. So you don't need to have separate broker accounts. Everything is there with this broker. Okay, so one thing that I've liked about Blueberry is that, okay, when you click on company here, when you click on knowledge hub, okay, with Blueberry you can actually get a free forex VPS, although it comes at a condition. So the condition is that you simply have to deposit a minimum of $100 into your account. Okay, here it is, and you have to trade at least 15 loads each month, which is okay. Also, if you're a beginner in trading, Blueberry Market also has got a feature called duplicate trade, where you can simply copy the top performing traders on this broker. And so as well, I'm going to make a video on this one in the coming days, so make sure that you subscribe. So now that you've learned about Blueberry, some of the features it has, the spreads, the account types, and so on, let us try to get a demo account so that we can practice and see and test out how it actually works. So for that, all you have to do is simply click on free demo to create your free demo account. So let us just do that. So I'm going to click on free demo. All you have to do is simply enter in your email and your password. Alternatively, you can sign in quickly using your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Apple account. But in this case, let me try signing up with my email and the password. Then simply choose your country of residence and enter in your phone number. So let me just do that real quickly. Okay, so the account has been created and this is how the dashboard is going to look like, although it is still loading. Okay, so a pop-up like this will appear. So let's choose the account type. So I'm going to go with standard. The type of trading platform, I think I'm going to go with MetaTrader 5. Okay, feel free to try any of these, although I'm going to try them in the coming videos. Then the amount, let us say $100. Okay, then what currency? I am going to choose USD. Then I'll click on next. Oh, I forgot to choose the leverage. So let me choose 1000. Okay, then next. Okay, so the demo account has been created and here it is. Okay, so they are saying the demo account is set up. We will now do the login details. Okay, so now the next thing is for me to download the trading platform. Then simply check my email for the login details. So for the trading platforms, there's a button on the left side here. So I'll simply click on it. Then I'll click on MetaTrader 5, download the links. Then I'll choose for Windows app. Then I'll click on Save Application. Okay, so I've opened it. I'll click on Next. So let's just wait for it. It finishes installing. Okay, so the installation is done, and all I'm going to do is simply click on Next. The Forex Broker Blueberry is already chosen. Then I'm going to go with login with an existing cloud account. So this is my login ID that was sent to my email. So even the password is also sent to the email. Simply go there and check for it. And then click on finish.
Incoming mail.
Okay, it's done. So this is our Blueberry account, and as you can see, we've got a $100 demo account. So this is very much easy and straightforward. So before we continue, let us try to make the chart appear a little bit better. So let's try to customize it a bit. So I'll drag this here like this. Okay, this as well, like that. No, that's a little bit too much. Okay, better. I'm going to close all these other charts so that I can remain with one, and I'll enter full screen. Then I'm going to customize the chart. I'm going to click on show. I don't want the grid. The colors, color and white. Okay. Then the background, I'm going to change this to black. Okay. Then I'm going to remove the indicator. Perfect. Now we've got a good, clean looking chart. This is how I prefer mine to look. So you can customize to how you prefer yours to look like. But otherwise, this is how you get a demo account on Blueberry. So try out on the demo account. If you're happy with the demo account, you can easily switch to a real account and deposit and through the real money. So remember, the link to this Blueberry Markets Forex Broker will be in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.